12 guests. Of course, we have the independent artists, so either bands or individual musicians will be there. And in terms of from the music industry, we have the first episode opens with Arman Malik and Amal Malik, the Malik brothers. And then we have a lot more artists lined up. There is Guru Randhava, Badshah, Palak Machal, Jubin Nautiyal, Dhwani Bhanushali, Yo-Yo Honey Singh. So there are a lot of all the artists who are doing independent music, Milind Gaba. So yeah, it was lot of fun meeting up with everyone. Yes, Ganesh says, I have a surprise for you in the upcoming episodes of Indie Hai Hum. Wow, I am waiting for that surprise, Ganesh, and I'm sure all my TKians would know that there is a hashtag called Ask Tulsi Kumar, where you can ask me the questions even on the show, anything that you all want to know about me. तो वो भी एक चीज़ है जो आपको पता होनी चाहिए इंडी है हम सीजन 2 के बारे में. आपका नेक्स्ट लाइव शो कब है? नेक्स्ट लाइव शो गाइज इज इन मार्च. So yeah, I think the whole corona vibe has settled, so yeah, a lot more live gigs happening. All right, so I have someone here who wants to ask me a few questions. Manmeet from my team is here. Manmeet, you want to ask me
Okay,
anything?
so somebody asked you this question. If you have to describe your experience as a host in one word, what would that word be?
वन वर्ड तो नहीं यार. एज अ होस्ट काफी कुछ चीजें करनी पड़ी मुझे. आदत नहीं है टू काइंड ऑफ रीड थ्रू स्क्रिप्ट्स एटसेट्रा. मैं कुछ अपने मन में आता है वही बोल देती हूँ. बट आई गॉट द हैबिट ऑफ रीडिंग थ्रू द स्क्रिप्ट एंड द एंटायर एक्सपीरियंस वाज अमेजिंग. गॉट टू लर्न सो मच. एंड हाँ, अब मैं अपने इंटरव्यूज में जो बाइट्स देनी होती हैं वो बहुत फटाफट बोल पाऊंगी. हर्षा.
Okay, so someone else asked, who amongst all the artists did you have the best fun shooting the episode?
You can't ask me this because I can't be mean. They all are my guests. Everyone was so much fun. Don't tell me to pick one. But I have my favorites. I do have my favorites, but I'm sorry. I'm not going to name anyone.
All right. And your fans also asked...
What are you eating looks like... Preeti had to ask this. Guys, this is my go-to food whenever I'm shooting and I feel I should not have salt, because salt खाते ही जो है ना मेरा फेस काफी ब्लोट हो जाता है, स्वेल अप हो जाता है. तो मेरे को बहुत स्ट्रिक्टली सॉल्ट को कट करना पड़ता है. आई डोंट हैव अ इश्यू ऑफ पुटिंग ऑन वेट, बट तो इसलिए ये मैं खा रही हूँ. दीज आर ओट्स विद फ्रूट्स एंड yeah, no sugar also. So
And trust me, this looks delicious.
It looks delicious. But it is nice. Nisha has made it for me. A huge shout out to Nisha, who's always there with me. Last live में Nisha भी आई थी. हाँ.
Great. So one of your fans asked if they are seeing you singing in the show.
बहुत जरूरी बात तो बताना भूल ही गई. So of course, you see me doing 12 different songs. Every episode will have an unplugged performance by me, where I welcome my guest with the performance. And I'm super thrilled क्योंकि वो 12 unplugged गाने बनाने में मुझे बहुत टाइम गया है. मतलब I had to do it within a very short span of time. So Red FM ने मुझे बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं दिया कुछ काम करने के लिए. But I managed to do a fairly okay job. I'm sure you guys will like those unplugged versions. कोई live questions इधर आ रहे हैं क्या?
Somebody just asked, how much do you work out every day?
How much do I work out? यार ये पता नहीं क्यों ऐसे सबको लग रहा है मैं बहुत ज्यादा वर्कआउट कर रही हूँ. मैं ऐसा कुछ नहीं कर रही. थोड़े वर्कआउट्स करती हूँ मैं. I try to go for a run sometimes and yeah, जो मैंने कहा ना वो पूरा फर्क जो पड़ता है when you want to lose weight, it's all about not eating. I mean eating healthy. So you have to eat healthy. मैंने जैसे कि कहा shoot dates पे मैं I try and avoid salt at night, only at night. But that works for me. It might not work for you because I have the whole problem of water retention. तो इसलिए मैं salt avoid करती हूँ. But workout ज़्यादा नहीं करती. I try and do basic stuff, and if I don't do any kind of workout, then I go for a run. I at least try to. Are you shooting for a new song very soon? And I will go live from the shoot, so it's very soon, so stay tuned for that live session also.
So a lot of people are asking you to hum a few lines for Pehle Pyar Ka Pehla Gum.
Thank you. No, I'll take it. पहले प्यार का पहला गम, पहली बार है आँखें नम, पहला है तन्हाई का ये मौसम। अरे आ भी जाओ वरना रो देंगे हम। That was Pehle Pyar Ka Pehla Gum. And tune into the whole song. You can go and check it out on YouTube or on any of the streaming sites. Looking smart. Thanks, Sunny. ऐसे कुछ comments Facebook से भी पढ़ लेते हैं. Alright, everyone. On my Facebook page. Firstly, thank you and for joining in. And I know I do a Facebook Live very rarely, so I will do that more often. And Indie Hai Hum season 2 releases on the 13th of February, where you will see me, Tulsi Kumar, as the host, and it's also going to be airing on the T-Series YouTube channel and radio simultaneously every Saturday in the morning at 9 a.m. So stay tuned for that. This Saturday it is Arman and Amal who will be on the show with me. So yeah, I'm super thrilled and I am still waiting for your questions. Alright.
So somebody else also asked if there is any secrets around Indie Hai Hum season 2 that you want to disclose on your live today. Any secrets around you or the whole season?
Lot of secrets will be revealed on the show, so you guys have to watch the episodes, because as I said, hi Shobita, my sister Shobita is here, my cousin, lots of love. So yeah, there are going to be a lot of secrets revealed. I don't know about me or no, but definitely about all the guests who are going to be on the show. Sachet Parampara, it was a blast to be with Sachet and Parampara on the show. They are the newly married couple and they're totally killing it with their music. Yeah, so they were really fun, and you'll get to know a lot of their Shadi Ka inside stories also. And with every artist, whether it was Milind, Jubin, Guru, Badshah, Dhwani, Palak, Arman, Amal. Am I missing anyone? Yo Honey Singer. Yeah, everyone. You'll get to know so much about them, so much more about them, other than their music. Tanishq Bagchi is also on the show. Rochak Kohli, my music director of Main Jis Din Bhula Du, is going to be with us on the show. So yeah, I'm super thrilled about all my friends and all the indie artists who are going to be on this show. What is the surprise, Tulsi and beautiful foodie? Aradhya is asking. Aradhya
So a lot of your fans had given their phone numbers and they got a call and they were all excited to know what was it.
Oh.
The fan question there.
So actually, if you all use the hashtag Ask Tulsi Kumar, you can actually connect with me through the show. So as you watch the episodes, y'all can continue to do that and ask me any questions with the hashtag either under YouTube or under any of the social media posts of that particular episode, and y'all will receive a call and I will be answering that question. So yeah. एक याद पुरानी, you know, this entire show you will hear me do a lot of unplugged songs and a lot of songs that are sung by me, a lot of songs that are sung by my friends. तो मैंने ऐसे भी काफ़ी गाने किए हैं, like मैं रहूँ या ना रहूँ, and of course I've done my songs like नाम तेरे नाल, तन्हाई, मैं जिस दिन भुला दूँ भी हमने मैशअप किया है with मेरी आशिकी, नहीं जाना, जरा ठहरो. So a lot of unplugged versions you guys would be hearing, of course, of all the independent tracks, and that's how the show starts. So yeah, I'm giving it all away in this live. बाद में Red FM वाले मारेंगे तो नहीं. All right, thank you guys. I think I've answered enough, and I've actually spoken enough. You guys give Indie Hai Hum season 2 all your love, because this show is for all the independent artists out there, and I truly and genuinely believe that जितने भी indie artists हैं, you know, they are very active on their social media, their YouTube. They all deserve to be in the forefront. We have such amazing talents, and मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया सबसे मिलके, सबसे बातें करके. So ये शो का सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक ही मकसद है, to bring out that talent in front of all of you, ताकि आप लोग सब इंस्पायर हों उससे, और जितने भी लोग म्यूज़िक को परस्यू करना चाहते हैं, they should also get inspired and feel that there is a show and there is a platform like Red FM and T-Series that absolutely supports independent music and independent artists. So yeah, that's our initiative, and that's what we intend to do with Indie Hai Hum season 2. And yes, आप लोग देखिए उसे और अपना प्यार दीजिए to this entire season of Indie Hai Hum season 2, which premieres on the 13th of February. And now I think I will say bye to my Facebook fam. Thank you guys for joining in, and don't forget to tune in to Indie Hai Hum season 2 on Red FM and T-Series official YouTube channel, Facebook pages. It's gonna be everywhere, guys. See you. And my Instagram family, aap log kahin mat jao. We are I'm taking you for a small home tour, and that's the place where I usually sit and have my chai. So this is the place jahan se main live ja rahi thi, and I will just walk you through my house to my studio, where जो actually lockdown में पूरा studio मैंने ready किया है, and I've done all my major recordings from here, right from I think I started with फिर ना मिले कभी reprise, and then it went to all the songs that happened after that were done here. So this is where I sit and I do my riyaz, and that's my little recording studio, guys, for those who haven't seen it. And that's my mic. So I really believe in this whole direction, कि कौन सी direction में you are facing and recording. So yeah, I believe in it, and it is the northeast that I face, and मैं वहाँ face करके गाती हूँ. So yeah, that is one little secret about me. So this is a very, very small studio that I have within the house, and I love recording out of here. I think after I have started recording myself, I have learned so much. I have learned so many, new things about my own voice. So it's very important for all of you who, love music or who love to kind of, do covers and stuff for your Instagram also. I think it's very, very important to record yourself. But लॉकडाउन से पहले तक मैंने कभी रियलाइज नहीं किया, बट आई एम सो हैप्पी एंड ग्लैड दैट आई स्टार्टेड रिकॉर्डिंग माई सेल्फ ड्यूरिंग लॉकडाउन एंड टुडे I feel so closer to my songs and my music and the mistakes that I make. So it's really helped me a lot. Alright guys, I think this is it. I am gonna say bye-bye to all of you. Thank you for joining in this live, and don't forget, for 1 second before I go, say hi to Manmeet, say hi to Ayush, and say hi to Ashish. And we're just gonna be recording something with Ashish, and that's why he's here. There's this song that's very I've been humming it on repeat. It's called Lagaya Dil, and it's by Sajad Ali. And मैंने सबसे पहले one of the music arrangers and producers, Anmol Daniel, जिन्होंने तेरे नाल को produce किया है. I saw it ever since I've seen it on his Instagram. I am hooked to that melody, and मैं सोच रही हूँ आज उसको cover करूँ with Ashish, and I'm gonna upload it for all of y'all. So stay tuned for that, and thank you for joining in the live. Don't forget to tune in to Indie Hai Hum Season 2 on Red FM Saturday 9 a.m. and Saturday 9 a.m. on T-Series YouTube channel. ये सब मुझे याद हो गया. Guys, thank you for joining the live. Bye. See you.